Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Not Financial Advice token. Ticker symbol is NFAI. Before we get into this token, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy the Not Financial Advice token. This is just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, ticker symbol NFAI. This token just got listed today on CoinMarketCap, brand new listing, sitting at about 4.1 cents per token. It's actually up 157% right now, doing very well. There is a warning, though, at the top of the CoinMarketCap page that everybody should be aware of. It says, smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, or transfer tokens. Please exercise caution before taking any action and do your own research. So thoroughly investigate this token, do your own research before even thinking about investing. Now, when there is warnings like that, it doesn't always mean like it's 100% going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be scammy when you can alter smart contracts like that. So they have a roadmap here on their webpage, and they have a full white paper as well. So on the roadmap here, they're starting with phase 1 is bot development. So they're developing their own bot here. It says, finalizing development of Athena. Athena is going to be the name of the bot. Subsequent deployment on various decentralized derivative platforms. Phase 2 is going to be a dApp development. So they're coming up with their own decentralized application. Development of secret projects that will incentivize the market to feed Athena a healthy pipeline of data that may assist in increasing accuracy. Additionally, we will be deploying a staking module to support deployment of profit sharing and ecosystem governance programs. So you're going to have voting rights by being a token holder. You will be involved in a DAO and have governance voting decisions on where the project will be going in the future. Phase 3 is going to be full decentralization. Hand over the keys to the community, which is basically the DAO, is what I just said, so that they may adjust the decisions made by Athena as they see fit. Profit sharing will start with profits paid in ETH or UDC or USDC. So their white paper, very tiny print, very extensive white paper. Now this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and you would trade your Ethereum for the NFAI token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. You could find it on their Etherscan, or you could find it on their webpage or white paper. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. According to their Etherscan, right now they have 777 holders, 18 decimal places, 6,576 transfers, and a max total supply of 100 million tokens. So yeah, a lot of transfers going on in the past few minutes just because of this new listing here on CoinMarketCap. Now it says NFAI is a decentralized hedge fund experiment that aims to use the power of neural net technology to make leverage trading decisions on decentralized leverage trading platforms. Profits from this experiment will be used to fund further development and reward holders via buybacks, burns, and upcoming staking modules. So in a nutshell, that's what this project is all about. On their page it says, join the experiment, and there's a quote from Nikola Tesla, and it says, life is and will ever remain an equation incapable of solution, but it contains certain known factors. Fair, stealth, launch, it says. So our principles, cryptocurrency market prices reflect all information available to market participants. Efficient market hypothesis, EMH, is a theory that states that financial markets are efficient, meaning that prices reflect all available information. Under this principle, we believe that the only way to beat the market is through collaboration on a singular artificial intelligence via a trustless community framework. We will focus on collaboration and innovation before price. It is our belief that most projects launched do not provide a solution to any real-world problems. As we launch, we are amid a global bear market and a period of extreme inflation that is running the lives of many. We are hoping to provide the framework to build something useful for the community prior to handing them the ability to control an artificial intelligence as a community to do so as they see fit. And finally, find innovative ways of creating value for those that support us. As we embark on this journey together, we will do our best to listen to our community and find ways to incorporate your sentiments into our development process. Please feel free to contact us on Telegram or Discord if you have any questions or concerns. And you can find the link to all those socials on their webpage, white paper, or CoinMarketCap. In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity. Market comparable token economics have been implemented to provide optimal framework for our supporters. High taxes tend to keep holders hostage, never a great sign. We encourage the buying and selling of our token as this helps holders long term. So there is a token tax, 6% it says, buying and selling, and that goes to algo funding, development, and liquidity. So that's what it's split up for. So you may have to set your slippage somewhere around 6% if you are going to buy or sell this token off of Uniswap. They have the contract address on their page. And yeah, they said it was a stealth launch. So it's got governance. At the end of the experiment, we aim to hand this over. Like I mentioned earlier, true utility. As Nfai grows, there will be certain access to signals generated by our AI solely to holders, and superior tokenomic feedback loop. The bot will be deployed in Phase 1 with a focus on funding development, liquidity, and reducing supply. In the long term, we aim for scarcity of the token and reducing volatility via constantly growing liquidity. A secret dApp will be created to serve as a catalyst to magnify planned burns. So they're going to have burns. It's going to be a deflationary token. So yeah, lots of cool stuff. Check it all out here on their webpage, nfa.ai. You can find this token listed on CoinMarketCap now. It's doing very well today, up 155% right now. And you can review their whole white paper if you like as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.